In this video, we are going to promote this dress from this e-commerce store, lisandra.se, which I own. So we are going to create AI UGC content and promote it on Meta ads. To start, you need to have the images ready, and you can create them with AI, of course. But in this video, I will keep it very simple and easy, and I will start with the images we already have. So to start, we download them and go to Higgsfield. In Higgsfield, you can see there is a button called Supercomputer. You can press on that, and then you will see this option where it says UGC video. Try it for free. To start, you need to approve what it says. So we start to approve. So this is just the example of what it does, but we will add our dress images here. So this is how it works. It creates the AI influencer, and she's gonna use this product. Let's see what it does. So the supercomputer has created a test UGC video with a script inside. We can see the script here. It's good to copy this so that we can use it to tell the ChatGPT to reprompt it for our dress video, okay? So we save it. Let's watch the video.
Okay, I've been using this for 2 weeks and I need to talk about it. It's vitamin C, but it doesn't sting, doesn't pile under makeup, and my dark spots are actually fading. Like actually fading. I don't say this lightly, this might be the one.
So there you go. It's so easy to create the UGC video with the supercomputer. This is the easiest way to do it. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna upload our images from the dress from the e-commerce website. We press on new chat. So in the supercomputer, on the side of the plus sign, you click on that and change it to GPT 5.5. And you remember you copied the script. You paste the script here and say create another script for a Swedish e-commerce brand promoting a dress in Swedish. Okay, and then you just click enter. And then it will generate a new script. So it's gonna take a couple of seconds. So we copy the script and upload the photos we're gonna use. This is from this product page. The photos are here, as you can see. And then we paste the script it just created. And then we just change the name to what the product name is. And then we just say create a UGC video. Okay, so something went wrong with the generation because it was not safe for view content. So we're gonna say do not create not safe for view content, and then we're gonna try again. We can actually use auto run without asking, so it's gonna work automatically. And then it asks if it's gonna do it, just say yes. And there you go, the videos are being generated. Okay, so we have the first video ready. Let's watch it.
Jag har väntat på den här kläddingen så länge, och nu när jag äntligen provar den känns den precis så lätt och fin som jag hoppades det. Den får alltså muldet, var langene ruder sig jättefin, och passformen känns bejum utan att se för avslaget ut.
Okay, so the video is good. The Swedish talking is not good. I mean, it sounds like Danish or another language, and the text is not very good as well because this is not correct Swedish, so to say. Some words are not perfect. So we're gonna edit it. Let's watch the second video first.
Det jag gillar mest är att den känns uppklävt utan att vara stitt. Jag skulle bära den till session, går eller sommarfest med bara enga sandar och smycken. Om du vill ha en maxlandning som känns både elegant och bekväm, då är den här verkligen vara att kicka på.
Yeah, same issue with this video. The Swedish talking, the Swedish language is not fully correct, and the text is not fully correct as well. So let's see if we can edit it through the supercomputer. I also recognize that we don't have the brand here, so we're gonna add the brand as well. the logo. You can see behind me here. First, add this logo to the bag she is holding, and then we will also tell it to fix the Swedish language and text. It is not correct. Let's see if it's gonna fix it. The voiceover transcript is correct. We have pasted the correct Swedish here. We will also test to do it in English and compare. Let's see what we get here first. Okay, so after waiting 7 minutes, we have the final results. Let's check it out.
Jag har väntat på den här kläddingen så länge och nu när jag äntligen provar den känns den precis så lätt och fin som jag hoppades det. Den får alltså muldet, volangerna rör sig jättefin och passformen känns bejum utan att se för avslaget ut.
As we can see, it has added the correct text on top of the old text, and we can also see that it has added the logo on the bag as we wanted, but the voiceover is still not correct. So let's try this in English, okay? So we go back here and paste the prompt and script again, and then we will tell it to recreate this script in English. Let's go. And now we have the script in English. We can just copy it and paste it here and tell it to create an UGC user-generated content with this script for this dress, and then re-upload the images again. Let's see also if it will remember to add the brand logo on the bag she is holding. Okay, so after waiting 10 minutes, we have our first video. So let's watch.
Okay, I ordered this dress without expecting too much, but it fits so much better than I thought. It's not too tight, it's not see-through, and I love that it feels dressed up without me having to try too hard.
Okay, so the English language is actually very good, and the video is also very good, but there were no text overlay. So let's see in the final version if it's gonna add it. And as we can see, it's using CDance 2.0 for this. The supercomputer is actually the easiest method to use, but it takes a lot of credits to create them. See, as we started with 3,000, and now we have 2,300 left after 4 videos generated. And now we have the second one ready. Let's watch it.
It's basically the exact dress you reach for when you have no idea what to wear. I've already worn it to work, dinner, and a coffee date in the city. It's one of those wardrobe saver pieces. It's available at Nordlive right now. I linked it in bio.
Okay, so we have 2 problems with the video. First off, this is not a mirror, so is she seeing herself or is someone else wearing it as well? But this is not so good if you're gonna promote a brand because it's confusing.
Basically the exact dress you reach for when you have no idea what to wear.
The second problem is there is no text. And the third problem, okay, there are 3 problems. In the end, it says the wrong brand, right? So it says
right at Nordlive right now. I linked
Nordlive, but our brand is Lysandra. When you copy and paste and recreate a script, you should read through it, right? And go through it. So that's what we have learned in this video, right? Here, Nordlive. You cannot just copy and paste a script. You should go through it and change, for example, the brand name. So my conclusion is creating a UGC video with the supercomputer is not the best way to do it, but it's decent, it works. It requires a lot of credits. As you can see, we have used a lot of credits already. Let's watch the final version.
I ordered this dress without expecting too much, but it fits so much better than I thought. It's not too tight, it's not see-through, and I love that it feels dressed up without me having to try too hard. It's basically the exact...
The text down here is not good because on Instagram and TikTok, there are a border down here that will cover this text, right? Maybe not on story and story ads, but our purpose is to create AI UGC videos to post organically on Instagram, and then of course, promote them with meta ads, but the organic posts will not be good for this.
You have no idea what to wear. I've already worn it to work, dinner, and a coffee date in the city. It's one of those wardrobe saver pieces. It's available at
And you see that brand text is wrong. It's a decent video. You can use this for your own brand. I will post the prompts in our community, in our school community. And to join our community, there is a link down below in the description or in the comment section. So my final conclusion is that using the supercomputer might not be the most accurate and the best way to do AI UGC content, because it also costs a lot of credits in Higgsfield. In the next video, I will show you how to use another way with less credits and a more accurate video in Swedish or another language that you might be using. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe, and see you in the next one. Thanks for watching.